Vaultek DS2i Smart Station. Made to center around your life. Advanced Smart Safe. Cutting-edge touch display. Wireless phone charging. The ultimate modern home safe has arrived. Fully loaded with top-of-the-line modern upgrades, top-mounted wireless charging pad, USB Type-C accessory charging ports, and a sleek customizable LED display. Combine these features with industry-leading safe technology, Vaultek's signature fit and finish, and intelligent new design, the next-generation smart safe is here. This is the Vaultek Smart Station. Next-generation smart safe modern upgrades with a top-mounted wireless charging pad, USB Type-C accessory charging ports, and a sleek customizable LED display showing time, temperature, humidity make the ultimate modern home safe. Low-profile safe design blends into its environment, great for RVs or nightstands. The auto-open safe drawer can secure a full-size pistol, up to 9 inches, jewelry, small documents, and other personal belongings. SentrySafe XL Quick Access Digital Pistol Safe with Interior Light. Keeping your gun stored isn't just for the protection of your firearms from theft, it is also very important in keeping them out of the wrong hands and the prevention of accidents. The SentrySafe XL Quick Access Digital Pistol Safe with Interior Light is a valuable asset to any handgun owner with its many great features and quick access. This safe can give you the peace of mind you need as a firearm owner. Some of the features of the SentrySafe XL Quick Access Digital Pistol Safe include a digital lock that allows you to access your safe with your own programmable 1 to 8-digit code. Multiple user options are also available. It can hold up to 2 pistols inside plus additional space for other items and ammunition. An interior light allows you to see your firearms in the dark. Tactical Walls Top Locking Concealment Shelf. The 1242 Top Locking Concealment Shelf has a foam-lined secret compartment that is 12 inches x 42 inches. Installation is as easy as hanging any common shelf. To access the secret compartment, simply disengage the hidden locks with the supplied keys at the 2 locations on the shelf top. The bottom half of the shelf is lowered smoothly with the assistance of a pneumatic strut. You can easily customize the medium-density polyurethane foam insert to fit your needs. Simply cut the required shapes out of the foam, peel the self-adhesive backing, and attach it to the compartment bottom. The foam securely holds everything in place. We manufacture the 1242 in the United States, right here in our Shenandoah, Virginia, facility using furniture-grade 9-ply birch plywood as well as other solid hardwoods. The products we make contain absolutely no fiberboard, OSB, or other cheap wood. Vaultek MX Series. If you're not sold on Vaultek and its incredible products, take a look at the MX Series to help you change your mind. If you have been searching for a company with a reputation for excellence when it comes to safes, then look no further than Vaultek. This company has made a name for itself by producing only high-quality products that its customers swear by. The MX Series exemplifies the excellence that has earned them their reputation. Wi-Fi or Bluetooth-supported app. The MX Series includes safes that are supported by apps that can be accessed via Bluetooth connection or utilize Wi-Fi. These apps allow for control over your safe and its features remotely. Plus, you can monitor important activity about your safe, including whether it has been tampered with. Tactical Walls 1410M Wall Clock. The Tactical Walls 1410M Wall Clock is a surface-mounted, non-locking home defense solution for hiding your handgun in plain sight. You will have quick access to your handgun, which is in a hidden compartment behind a functional wall clock. Installation is pretty easy. All it takes is to hang the clock in the desired location using the provided hardware. Opening the Tactical Wall's 1410M wall clock is as easy as pushing the 12 o'clock position of the face, which pops the bottom out. Just detach the face to reveal the concealed storage area. The Velcro attachment on the clock face provides for an easy open and close. The hidden compartment dimensions are 10.00 inches high by 14.00 inches wide and can be used for a variety of items. These include handguns, ammunition, tasers, flashlights, or anything else that you want to keep hidden. Vara Safety NW. It's only been around a year since I met some of the great people from Vara Safety while cruising around SHOT Show. I was sent one of their original Reach safes for evaluation and did a write-up explaining the pros and cons of this holster/safe hybrid. In a nutshell, the original Reach is a gun-specific holster that is mounted somewhere in your home. Maybe it's a table, the side of the bed, or a closet shelf. The handgun is securely locked in the device with the grip exposed. The unique thing about the design of the device is that to access the gun, you grip the pistol grip just as if you were drawing it from a typical holster. The exception is that a fingerprint reader is positioned so that the thumb of the shooting hand comes into contact with it during the draw unlocking process. This makes accessing the firearm quicker than a traditional vault-type safe where one would have to reach into the safe after unlocking it. The QuickVent with RFID locking system is one of the safest ways to hide and secure weapons, money, jewelry, etc. Disguised to look like a regular fresh air return vent and engineered to fit between 2x16-inch center studs, standard spacing in most homes and offices, the QuickVent blends in on any wall. Simply touch the RFID key to the sensor and you have immediate access to its contents. There are no numbers to memorize, which are easily forgotten in a panic situation, or buttons to push. With the RFID locking system, your gun and other valuables are secure, yet can be accessed in seconds. Perfect for keeping items readily available for home security while safely secured from view. Made in the USA. V-Line Shotgun, Rifle, Tactical Vault. For those that need to store their firearm in an area where their weapon can be readily available but secure, the V-Line Shotgun, Rifle, Tactical Vault is the ideal safe. It can be used by law enforcement agencies and security personnel where quick access to a weapon in an emergency is critical. It can also be used for home use to store and protect your weapons. This can also be used for school resource officers who want to secure their weapons but may need to access them during an emergency. The V-Line SRT Vault is locked by an SNG Spartan digital lock. This lock is UL rated and is the same lock used on large gun safes. It features a master user and a single user code. The lock can be rotated 360 degrees to accommodate left or right and door opening or horizontal use. Under-seat pickup truck locking gun cabinet. Vehicle gun safe pull-out drawer. The 7126 to 7654 Boss Strongbox pull-out drawer is currently the widest, longest box make. This box is great for securing two long guns, multiple pistols, mags, laptops, and/or weapon accessories. This was specifically made for under the back seat of a Ford F-150. It can also be used as an home gun safe and could easily fit under a bed. Made with a single high-security Medeco lock with protected T-handle and 3-point latching system, this box is more than secure to protect your most important gear. Each weapon locker is constructed of cold-rolled steel and powder coated in wrinkled black. Made in America, our boxes are designed and manufactured with the best material and without compromise. Surprisingly, it's not Americans who hid a gun inside a secret pickup truck storage compartment. A hidden gun inside a secret pickup truck storage compartment sounds like one of the most American things ever. This time, however, it's not Americans at all. The people of Switzerland are also very into guns and trucks. So much so that Zurich, Switzerland-based Black Sheep Innovations created this unique pickup truck modification: the secret pickup truck taillight gun storage compartment. If you've ever needed a secret compartment to store your gun or whatever else you want inside your pickup truck, Black Sheep Innovations has the answer. The company specializes in pickup truck modifications in both American and Swiss markets. Popular Swiss pickup trucks like the Toyota Hilux and Volkswagen Anorak are unavailable in the US, but the mods will still work.